Hello friends, welcome to IELTS Mate. Today I'm going to solve the problem that no IELTS video have ever done for you, that no IELTS video have solved, and in future also no IELTS video is going to solve this problem. So students often has this question, can we go give personal example in IELTS writing task 2? And I have very clear answer, like there is a way in which you can introduce your personal example. You cannot let me show you the incorrect way first, ki how you cannot give personal example in IELTS writing task 2. Now this is incorrect way. It is very simple. It is looking very simple ki it's about my cousin only and my cousin Nisha. Like for example, your point was, your essay was about video games, and your point was that ki it makes the person irritated or aggressive. Okay, it makes children aggressive. So you are giving example, it is incorrect way. You are giving example, my cousin Nisha has started remaining cranky, irritated ever since she has started watching the television, or playing the video game. Ever since she has started playing the video game, she is becoming irritated. Now this example, the problem is it is very personal. It is too personal, and examiner has nothing to do with your cousin, what is going on in your life. If you are writing an academic and formal essay, they will seek something that is you can say more important than your personal life. Obviously that is a little general, like example must be authentic, general, and how it can be like personal example को आप कैसे convert, how can you convert your personal example in a way that it does not look like informal example. So how can you make your personal example into a formal example? Let's see. So you have to again use this structure. For example, last week I stumbled upon an article, means article in Times News le lo. Also please write the name of the newspaper. I skipped here because it will look more formal. You have to present it in the form of a news, that you read a news about a person doing this. It is again about a person. Okay, it's again about a boy, but it is not your cousin who is doing this. Okay, so examiner, that has nothing to do with what your cousin or your family or your pet is doing. For example, last week I stumbled upon an article. What does stumbled means? Stumbled means you just happened to find that article. You did not have any intention to go and read that article, but you just stumbled upon it. It means you just happened to read it. You just saw the catchy headlines, and then you went on reading it, but you did not have any intention to read. Okay, so last week I stumbled upon an article in Times News about a countryside boy, or you can say an urban boy. If means it's a if the boy is living in city, you can say an urban boy, or a countryside boy being caught trying to attempt the same stunt that he saw in the action video game. So matlab, if this personal example has become a news in a reputed newspaper, then this does not remain more and in any personal. This does not look informal at all, but it is totally informal example, and many students do this mistake. To avoid doing this mistake, also please like this video, comment if you find that this video is worthy and has solved very very important problem for you, and has corrected your mistake also. Thank you.